Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wonder what's really lurking in your mouth? Today, we're diving into a topic that's more than just skin deep: dental plaque. You might think you know it, but what if I told you that plaque is much more than just a sticky nuisance? It's a biofilm that could be the key to maintaining or losing your beautiful smile for life. Intrigued yet? Stick around because what you'll discover might just surprise you. So, what exactly is dental plaque? You see, plaque isn't just some harmless gunk on your teeth. It's a sticky, invisible film teeming with hundreds of microbial species. Some good, some bad, and some just downright dangerous. Picture this. Your mouth is like a bustling city full of residents, microbes, that need to live in harmony. But what happens when some unruly tenants move in? Did you know your mouth hosts the second largest microbial community in your entire body? What happens when this community turns against you? When the balance of these microbes is disrupted, it can lead to a cascade of oral health issues, cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and even more sinister problems like gum disease. But here's the kicker. Even if you're diligent about brushing and flossing, plaque can still find a way to thrive. Surprising, right? We'll also reveal a surprising culprit later on, something you probably use every day, that could be sabotaging your efforts. Could your daily dental routine actually be making things worse? Conventional wisdom tells us to use mouthwash and fluoride toothpaste for a healthy mouth. But here's where things get interesting. These products can actually disrupt the delicate balance in your mouth, wiping out not just harmful bacteria, but the good ones too. The result? Problems like oral thrush, or even promoting the very bacteria that cause cavities. Imagine your mouth as a lush garden. Now picture using a chemical that not only kills the weeds, but also the flowers. That's what harsh dental products can do to your oral microbiome. Are the products you trust actually betraying your oral health? So, what's the solution? It's simpler and tastier than you might think. Introducing probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet can help reintroduce beneficial bacteria, reducing plaque naturally. And don't forget about anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and wild-caught salmon, which can further boost your oral health. We'll also share a secret weapon later in the video, a centuries-old remedy that's making a comeback for good reason. Could your next meal be the key to a cleaner, healthier mouth? Ready to revamp your oral hygiene routine? Swap out those chemical-laden products for natural alternatives like coconut oil toothpaste, aloe vera mouthwash, and miswak sticks. These time-tested remedies are gentle on your mouth and effective at keeping plaque at bay without harming your natural oral flora. Imagine brushing your teeth with a product that not only cleans, but also nourishes your mouth, promoting long-term health. That's what these natural options offer. What if the secret to a healthy smile has been around for centuries, just waiting for you to rediscover it? Here's the thing. Consistency is your best friend. Start with small, manageable changes like swapping sugary snacks for berries or trying out natural toothpaste. As you see improvements, let that momentum inspire you to make even more positive changes. Think of your oral health journey like planting a tree. It starts with a small seed, those first few changes. But over time, with care and consistency, it grows into something strong and resilient. Are you ready to commit to a healthier future, one small step at a time? Remember, your smile is one of your greatest assets. It's not just about looking good. It's a reflection of your overall health. By taking proactive steps to manage plaque, you're investing in a brighter, healthier future. Here's something extra. Research shows that maintaining oral health can even lower your risk for diseases like heart disease and Alzheimer's. Your mouth truly is a gateway to your body's overall well-being. What does your smile say about your health, and what will you do to protect it? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, every small step you take today leads to a healthier tomorrow. Keep smiling, and I'll see you next time.